back to the next part of Project Bimmer. Now, in the last video I couldn't finish off the wheel bearing job because I didn't have a suitable tool to get the hub off. Now that tool has arrived today. I'd ordered it on Amazon on the last video and it's finally arrived. Your Christmas has just been and gone, and I ended up having to put the car back together again because actually we drove it to work today just to see what it was like. Anyway, get the wheel off and the brake drum off, and then we can have another go at getting this hub off. Okay, so the hub puller finally turned up from Amazon. So let's get this opened. Get this box out of the way. Let's see what we got. And there it is. That's what I bought. I put a link on in the previous video. So just unwrap this. So it's still a belated Christmas present. It's 27th of December today. I'll open this up. This is pretty difficult to open. There we go. I'm tidying up my Weetabix today, and this is basically what you get. What we need is this. We bolt this to the hub, then we screw this in, knock it out, bang bang bang, out it comes. Well, that's the theory, so I think we should just put it to the test. Right, for starters, bolt this flange to the hub. Not having much luck here, so I have to rethink. Well, I've been beating on this hub with slide hammer and it's just not shifting. The problem is that I need to get the drive shaft out and that just is refusing to budge. So I think I need one of those air hammers. That should get it shifted. So I'll get one ordered up and we'll continue this another time. It's the next day and I'm back at it, and I've got reinforcements in the shape of this air hammer which I got from Screwfix. I can put a link in the description. Let's get this opened up and see what we have. First get me a folding knife out. Everybody likes a good unboxing. Go, hopefully this should do the job. So we'll just get all this set up. I think I've got some adapters for arrows, so I'll do all that off camera. Right, got it set up. Let's see if this will shift this drive shaft. Here we go. So, compressor's stopped. had to admit defeat on this side. There's no way that drive shaft's going to come out, so I'll just have to find this job out to my local garage. Anyway, I'm going to have a go on the other side, see if I fare any better. Can't really fare much worse. And if I can't get a drive shaft out on that side, I'm just going to farm the job out. Well. Would you rather believe it? I managed to get the drive shaft out. So I think we're in with a chance of getting this bearing replaced. Right, time to see if this works. Yes! And it's out! Oh, yes! Took some doing, but I got it out. So the next thing is to get this bearing out. Should probably be the easy bit by comparison. Alright, time to give it tilt with the good stuff. See if we can yep, just make sure it moves. Yep, so that's a good sign. Right, let's get these circlip pliers on. And that's out. And next, we'll just press this bearing out. Okay, I've got the bearing remover installed. Time to and that's the bearing out. Sorry I didn't film it, but yeah, I made it crack off. I knew it'd come out. Right, so I'll take this off and we'll get prepared for the new bearing. Alright, I've cleaned it all out. I've got the right size tools I need. So, and I've put some grease, and I've greased the inside here, and I've greased the surface of the bearing as well. So just put the tools back in. Oh, for some reason any muck. Then we do it all over again. Yep, I think that's it. Just buzz this off with impact. We'll try again. Let's have a look. Might just reuse the old circlip. And that's in. So that's the new bearing fitted. Now before this hub can go back on, I've got to get this outer race off. Now it just so happens I've got one of the chisels out the air chisel set, so this might be able to get it started. No, too much damage. Don't want to damage the hub. Right, this is clearly not working, so I'm going to have to resort to using my Dremel. Right, I've got my Dremel. The idea is I'm going to cut a slot in it, and then I can open it up and then just get this race off. Remember to use eye protection. So we'll just and the disc's broken. Change the disc, so let's continue. Here we go again. Oh, just keep on going. If the air chisel would do it. Gotta be worth a try. Now, did I move the bearing, the race, or did the hub move? Yeah, I think the... Oh, yes! Good news is I got it off the edges, but I've marked the hub, but never mind. We can get that all back in now. Okay, we've got everything we need. Now, till this will go back in, we'll just give it some grease. And a bit on the inside of the hub. I've got all the bits we need. And this is the third time we're doing this. And that's it. Oh. That's the hub in, so it's just a matter of putting everything back together. So I'm not going to go all through that, it's just a drive shaft in and brake drum on and the job is done. Okay, we're all buttoned up, so take it on a little road test, see if it's made any difference. Remember, I've only changed one bearing, other one's not being changed, so if that's a one, that's still going to make a noise. Okay, this is it. Moment of truth. As ever, so actually it's not quite as bad. It's a little, seems to be a little bit better. So if I can just get that drive shaft out, get that wheel bearing done. I think I'll get the local garage, see if they can get the drive shaft out for me. Yeah, I think a slight improvement, but just goes to show you best always doing both sides when it comes to wheel bearings. So that's it for this particular video. Only got one wheel bearing in, and it's made a slight improvement, so I'm just going to seek professional help on getting that drive shaft out on the near side. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.